Happy learning, students. In this video, discuss about on SQL built-in functions. Built-in functions. There are two types of functions in Oracle. First one is single row functions. Single row or scalar function return a value for every row that is processed in a query. Group functions. These group functions the rows of the data based on the values returned by the query. The group functions are used to calculate aggregate values like total or average, which return just one total or one average value after processing a group of rows. Types of functions. There are four types of single row functions. First one is numeric functions. These functions that accept numeric input and return numeric values. Character or text functions. These are functions that accept character input and can return both character and number values. Third one is date functions. These functions that take values that are a data type date as the input and return values of data type date except for months between functions, which returns a number. Fourth one is conversion functions. These functions that helps to convert a value in one form to another form. For example, a null value into actual value or value from one data type to another data type like NVL, 2 underscore char, 2 underscore number, 2 underscore date, etc. You can combine more than one function together in an expression. This is known as nesting of functions. First of all, what do you mean by 2L table? 2L table is a single row or single column of dummy table provided by Oracle. This is used to perform mathematical calculations without using a table. For example, select asterisk from 2L. The output is dummy value. Example of select 777 in 888 from 2L. So 777 in 888. The value is multiplied, value was displayed. The first function is numeric functions. The numeric functions are used to perform the operations on numbers. They accept the numeric value as input and return numeric value as output. Few of the numeric functions are absolute of x, absolute value of x, cell of x, the integer value that is greater than or equal to number of x, floor of x, total value that is less than or equal to number of x, truncate of x comma y, truncate value of number x up to y decimal places, round of x comma y, the rounded off value of the number x up to number of y decimal places. This is for example in numeric functions. Next one is character or text functions. Character or text functions are used to manipulate text strings. They accept strings or character as input and can return both character as number values as output. The few character or text functions are given below. First function is lower of string value. All the letters in string value is converted into lowercase. Upper of string value. All the letters in string value is converted in uppercase. Init cap of string value. all the letters in string value is converted to mixed case. Ltrim of string value, comma, trim text. All the occurrence of trim text is removed from the left of the string value. Rtrim of string value, comma, trim text. All the occurrence of trim text is removed from right of the string value. Trim text from string value. All the occurrence trim text from left and right of the string value. The trim text can also only one character long. Substring of string value, comma, m, comma, n. Returns n number of characters from string value starting from m positions. Length string value, the number of characters in string values is returned. The helper, the returns string value left padded with padded value. The length of whole string will be n characters. Rpad string value, comma, n, comma, pad value. Return string value right padded with right pad value. The length of the whole string will be n characters. For example of, we can use the upper of text functions. The column value is select upper, the product name from product. So all the character in uppercase. Some example of character and text functions. Lower of first function is lower of string value. Lower of good morning. The return value is all the character is lowercase. Upper of string value, the upper of good morning. So all the character is written and capitalized. Init cap is init cap of good morning. First letters of each word in capitalized. Okay. Next, Ltrim of string value, comma, trim text. So Ltrim of good morning to good. To remove the word from good morning. So the output is morning. Rtrim of good morning. Remove the string is string morning. So output is good. Trim the O from good morning. So all the O letters removed from the good morning string. Substring of good morning, comma, 6, comma, 7. So the sixth character start with 7 letters. So the morning is displayed. Next, length of the good morning, good 12. Lpad of good, comma, 6, comma, asterisk. So length of the character is 6. So the letters 5. So remaining 2 letters, 2 asterisks displayed. Rpad of good, comma, 6, comma, asterisk. So Rpad good, after that 2 asterisk symbol is displayed. Date function. These functions that takes value that all the data type as date as input and return values of the data type date except of the month between functions, which returns a number of as input. The few date functions as given below. First one is add month date, comma, n. So return a date value after adding n month of the date x. Month between x1, comma, x2 returns the number of month between dates x1 and x2. Round x, comma, date format returns a date x rounded of the nearest century, year, month, date, hour, minute, or second as specified by the date format. Trunc, the returns date as lesser than or equal to nearest century, year, month, date, hour, minute, or second as specified by the date format. Next day, x, comma, weekday, the returns next date of the weekday on or after the date x occurs. Last day of x, it is used to determine the number of days remaining in a month from a date. Sysdate returns the system current date and time. New time x comma zone 1 zone 2 the returns date as time in zone 2 if the date x is represent the time in zone 1. Some functions are date function add month of 16 September 81 comma 3 so the output is 16 December 81. The 3 months will be added. The months between command the month between functions 16 September 81 comma 16 December 81 so the month between answer is 3. Next day of 1st June 2008 a Wednesday so the output is 4 June 2008. The last day 1st June 2008 the last day of 30 June 2008. Okay. Next, conversion functions. These are functions that help us to convert a value in one form to another form. For example, a null value into an actual value or value from one data type to another data type like NVL, toChar, toNumber and toDate. Few conversion functions available in Oracle. First one is toChar of x comma y. Convert the numeric date values as the character string value. It cannot be used the calculation since it is string value. To underscore date x comma date format. Convert a valid numeric and character values to the date. The date is formatted the format specified by the date format. NVL x comma y. If x is null, replace it y. X and Y must be accent same data type. Next, decode A comma B comma C comma D E comma default value. So check the value with A. If A equal to B, then return C. If A equal to D, then return C. Else the default value. Example of some date conversion function toChar of 3000. So $999. So the return value of 3000. toChar of sysdate comma date month y month y. So the output is Monday June 2008. toDate function 1st June 2008. The output is written 1st June 2008. NVL of null comma 1. So the output is 1. Thank you, students.